slime.
Oh, awesome.
Did you put any cornstarch?
No.
No?
No? It's a little
Make
bit
sure
of
not
pencil.
to put too much because
I'm afraid it will like
It's
turn
gonna suck.
very bad.
Yeah.
You're gonna make another soft serve then? Are you? It's so sticky.
We're
It's kid steak.
we are scientists now.
Oh no.
We're making stuff. Oh damn.
At
This
science class, I make slime. Not all the time. One time.
yeah. We kids will make this. We have imagination.
And you know who is the cameraman? It's high school kid. If you're like, I'm way more younger than.
Yeah. We have a lot of imagination. And fish bait has no imagination.
It's so
Because he
sticky.
suck.
It's so sticky, man.
Yeah.
Man.
Well,
my
no,
God,
no shit
so
because
sticky.
you put a lot of glue.
Barely. The glue is the main ingredient, so
Yeah.
we need glue in slime.
Yeah, because
I'm
it's
just
sticky.
gonna put 2 more drops. Small drops.
Yeah.
Oh,
Small,
too much.
Small
Too
drops,
much.
not bad.
small, because
If you put too much, it won't stretch.
yeah,
It won't stretch. It's really, really hard.
Yes.
It's not being like
it's
this.
gonna be so hard and difficult to stretch it because
Because
this is the main ingredient, so we need to keep that in mind.
Oh, it's so sticky.
It is important.
It's
the main
so-
ingredient is the glue, of course.
Yeah,
But there is slime recipes without glue, and it makes nice slime. But I don't really like it.
with no glue, this is not slime. Oh, that movie is so good. Oh, okay, I forgot. Okay.
Hopefully, I don't add too much activator.
We're smashing the thing because
This is really, really sticky.
the way to make slime is to smash it.
How? How you? Oh,
Smash.
God.
Yeah. Oh, the hook.
Mash it, mash it. Like it very much.
So very
Make
sticky.
a ball into it.
Okay.
Snow glue.
Make sure the thing is like able to.
Touch.
Yeah.
This thing is like able to touch, but sticky. It's really sticky.
If this if you put a lot of glue, then it'll be so hard to to play with because
Yeah, I know.
glue is sticky. So
Really sticky. I
Not-
hate glue. I hate glue.
yeah.
I even barely.
Not only the thing is sticky, your hands are your hands are also sticky,
Yeah.
and it's annoying because
I'm just get one finger of activator.
Yeah, me too. This
Yeah.
is very,
yes.
absolutely sticky.
If it's not stretchy, you can also add some lotion.
Yeah.
It's squishy moisturizer. The texture is way more better. But this is more whiter.
We need to make it more better. So far, this
This
is
is like.
so far,
I hate the texture.
so far this is the best.
It's really soft serve.
Okay,
Super stretchy.
this is the best.
Yes.
This good, and this bad.
What is it? Is it?
Do
I
it.
hate it. This slime is really good.
Good.
Kakak touched it.
Yeah, maybe it's not even slime. Like I don't know what.
It's not
is
even
this.
like a bloody or slime. Pause it.
Okay, now 4 minutes. Oh damn! It looks like a spider web.
Oh really?
Damn.
This is gonna be clear slime, and
Yeah.
this will just stay like this.
Yeah.
This is never gonna
It-
be the same. This is never gonna be clear because it was made by a lot
Yeah.
of white.
You only use four stuff. This, and this.
But for this one, I only used 3,
Yeah.
which is the cohesive, some activator,
Yeah.
and then glue.
Well-
And why I'm gonna use some clear glue?
I'm gonna use
Yeah.
ingredient.
We're just smashing the thing until it's until it's so sticky and slimy because that's the main thing that we do, make slime.
No, not you. Never liked slime. Eat better.
Well,
Don't. I hate this one so much. Come on.
yeah boy.
This is not so good texture.
Well,
This isn't gonna be super duper clear, you know.
well,
guys.
because
Oh my god.
because I don't have slime, so
You want one? You can have this one.
I suck it.
Can
You
touch it.
you
Can touch mine.
you gave me the worst one. Wow.
Oh, I like it. I like it. Yeah.
Damn,
See, just mix it.
you're so savage.
We're gonna mix it
That's
together.
what MLG.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
Because it's like,
What if you mix this and this together?
no, this is like the weirdest thing ever.
That would be a bad combination.
This is the weirdest thing, the weirdest slime
Yeah.
playing ever. Look
Yeah.
at this. It's almost like this. Because we put too much corn
Yeah.
But this texture is
What if we
I'm gonna make more slime,
wait, look.
I love slime.
It kinda
Yes,
it
guys.
kinda looks like a hawk.
This is what I'm gonna do, guys. I'm gonna do
It's
it
not
in
that
gold.
good texture. You can even.
Yeah.
This is very bad. I think
Yeah.
we put too much slime.
This is the worst one.
But this one is the best. But it's pretty sticky.
Yeah. The only thing we need is this
Next, a couple
the
pumps
pink
of
because you know you girls.
Yeah.
But for me
Cornstarch.
maybe a blue. Yeah, because blue is the man.
Gonna mix
Oh,
together
man.
until
It's for man.
that
And I'm a man.
nice.
Yeah, making more because we can't stop.
This is gonna be
We can't
another
stop
sauce
making
for-
slime. Slime is our passion. Our passion is to make slime
This
with
is- we're gonna make
with
this one
these
again.
ingredients.
We're
We're
gonna
making the texture.
we're
We
gonna
got the
make
color.
we're gonna make this again, but less cornstarch.
Yeah.
I
Wow.
think we need some more glue.
Mix until it's done. And she's in the
Don't forget
bathroom
add
washing her hands.
ingredients. Don't forget adding the ingredients.
Yeah.